This video is brought to you by Specdtuning.com. In this Spec-D installation video, we will assist you in the installation of a 2005 to 2009 Ford Mustang bumper lights. When turning the front tires on the inside, we'll notice that there are 3 screws. These 3 screws can be taken out, preferably by using a short screwdriver. There's another clip right behind the tires. Hidden a little deeper inside the wheel well, there is also another clip right behind the tires. We'll notice that with the yellow arrow pointed here. Once all 4 is taken out, we can gently pull back the plastic and notice that there are sockets inside. We can take out the 2 sockets The 2 yellow arrows indicate the clips that are locking in the bumper lights. To unlock the clips, use needle nose pliers to pinch the end of the clips, that way that you can release the bumper lights and have them removed. Please be careful trying to put in your new bumper lights so that you don't scratch them. At this point, align the holes with the clips so that you can lock them in. Once that's complete, we can now replace the sockets and bulbs back into the bumper light. We can now align back the wheel well plastic. Right inside there's a clip. Replace the clip that's behind the wheel. There's also another clip in front of the wheel. Now we can put back all 3 screws. The wheel well is now secured. Your installation is now complete. Please check all lighting before taking your vehicle out on the road. Thank you. Thank you for choosing Spec-D Tuning videos to assist you. Please visit Specdtuning.com for more products.